Well, here I am showing up to this customer's house and the system wasn't cooling. I know what's wrong with it already. I can go over it with you guys. If you look down in here, this compressor is completely full of ice. The refrigerant line's completely iced, and it goes all the way back to the evaporator coil, and it's like a solid block of ice. Here's the drain line coming from the unit. I got the blower motor right now. It's running. It's trying to melt the ice, and as you can see, it's doing a pretty good job. I just pulled the disconnect on this system, so this unit doesn't have any power now. Open up this door here. Okay, I just got this door open. Now, I have the thermostat inside turned off, and I have the fan on. So that's why it's blowing air inside and it's melting that. But the AC is currently not running. But if you go down here to this contactor, it is pulled in. But let's check the voltage to it. Okay, I got my meter set on volt.